Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to again visit Bengal, and in Mamata Tur, the TMC MP charging at Prime Minister's visit and saying, what's this constantly coming to Bengal? It looks like the manner in which a hawker does publicity, that this is also like a hawker and publicity master. Throwing another jibe at Prime Minister in Mamata Banerjee's turf, the TMC leader has said Prime Minister is acting like we see a hawker in trains. Prime Minister is trying to peddle the Bharatiya Janata Party ideology like a hawker does. Prime Minister Modi will be in North 24 Parganas, which is near Sandesh Khali area, where he will be delivering the speech today.
Second, our publicity master Prime Minister is coming to our state of West Bengal. He will be talking about women empowerment, Nari Shakti. But he will never say why amongst 195 declared BJP candidates, they are having only 14% female. Why Sukanta Mujumdar, Subhendu Adhikari, with whom he will be sharing the dais, address an on-duty ITS official like Khalistani, abuses him like telling him as Khalistani, he will never say. He will come, he will give some false promises, he will malign, he will defame Bengal and go away like a seasonal bird.
দুবার কোথায় চারবার তোমার তো বলাটাই ভুল হচ্ছে 1 তারিখ 2 তারিখ 6 তারিখ 9 তারিখ কবার হলো চারবার উনি হকার হয়ে গিয়েছে বিজেপির আদর্শ উনি ফেরি করছেন ট্রেনের কামরায় যেমন হকাররা